How do you fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam, open up your browser and head to this link which is in the description. Now, from this table here, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 for the redistributables. And once you finish both of these installations, it will require you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, what you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU driver update installed. So you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you have. And then you can check for updates and download and install the latest version. Once you're done, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then you can proceed to launch the game from your library and it should solve the crash problem for you. Thanks for watching and subscribe.